Hey guys, it's Keith here, and I'm ripping the loft out of my barn. Yeah, follow along and see what happens. So this isn't my first rodeo, and there's something that you should always do if you plan on salvaging any boards from a project like this, is to take the nails out right away. Done it before and left around these like gnarly, naily clumps that like have stabbed tires and stuff, so just take the nails out right away. So it's weird watching yourself work, and this year I'm really trying my best to do more and create more and learn more and less lost.